is one area where also we need to look into. And I have given our suggestion, what are the causes and suggestions. जिस स्टेज में वो होता है, प्रोजेक्ट होता है, land acquisition, there is no inherent interest by the land acquisition, the revenue authority to acquire the land. We have to, it is as if it is consultant baby. तो better ये होगा कि consultant is allowed to do his technical part and this land acquisition is given to a specialized agency. Government को करोड़ों रुपया इसमें वो करना पड़ रहा है, bail out करना पड़ रहा है as a variation, as a recompensation, as a penalty, as a, so this work is given to a specialized agency who coordinates with the technical agency and does the land acquisition. आप कंसल्टेंट के ऊपर DPR, technical land acquisition, social, environment, forest, wildlife, everything you are dumping on him. But he is not being duly compensated, so he is doing half-hearted job. That's what is the quality of the DPR. So land acquisition you can give to a specialized agency and let that agency coordinate with the technical team, and we will be able to get rid of the problem that we have in land acquisition. Also, like the 8 महीने वाले project 8 साल जा रहे हैं. So there is no, you cannot retain the team unless and until there is a compensation from the client side. You cannot retain the team. It is impossible for any consultant to retain the team for 8 years. A project which is aimed for 8 months. So we need to do a fair amount of compensation for the manpower if the project is extended. If it is because of the consultant, penalize the consultant. Otherwise, give due compensation to the consultant so that he can retain the team and do justice to the job. One of the issues, I will just speak I will just bring out the main point. For example, in feasibility, certain projects are post at feasibility. But reasonable feasibility लाने के लिए एक reasonable amount of survey investigation consultant को करना पड़ता है. अगर consultant नहीं कर रहा है तो गलत कर रहा है. करना पड़ता है. अगर उसको करना पड़ता है, then he says we are stopping the project at feasibility. And they say you get paid as per your payment schedule. Whereas he has done work of 50%. He is closed, the project is closed at 20%. This consultant दूसरे जॉब में जाके कैसे justice करेगा? So foreclosure का there should be a provision of foreclosure. There should be some method of foreclosure. Consultant if he is able to give you evidences that मैंने इतने खर्चे कर लिए एक reasonable feasibility देने के लिए आपने बोला अभी feasibility में close करना है. So this is the foreclosure mechanism that we are adopting. You just said that we are paying you 20%, whereas he has already invested at 50%. So, you do expect him to give a justice in another project? Definitely not. Deviations, they just go endlessly without any comments, without any approval. We do work in the expectation that we will get paid, but it's not paid. Variations are held up at different levels. So there has to be a mechanism how this variation is. Either you accept the proposal or reject the proposal. Say that you are not eligible for the variation. And if you accept, pay him in time, so that he can sustain himself. So this is another area. Then value engineering. I think अभी recently government ने एक issue वो किया है कि अगर employee permanent है कंपनी का तो special marks दिए जाएंगे. That's a very good move by the government. And there is another issue. What we can do is, अगर कोई अपने proposal में value addition लाता है, he gets a special mark for that value addition in his proposal. Automatically, consultant के proposals अच्छे हो जाएंगे, better हो जाएंगे. So that's one area. And as my chairman said this morning, this quality based selection. इसमें तो ऐसे इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा. अगर DPR का cost, तो वो तो बिल्कुल एक छोटा सा हिस्सा है आपका टोटल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कॉस्ट का. सो फॉर गॉड सेक डोंट गो इनटू कॉस्ट, गो इनटू क्वालिटी. इफ पॉसिबल मेक 95% क्वालिटी द टेक्निकल एंड 5% कॉस्ट. आपका डीपीआर आधा डीपीआर तो ऐसे ही ठीक हो जाएंगे. सो दैट्स वन एरिया. आई मीन QC, BS, what we need to do. And of course, I have already spoken about the foreclosure and then inspection report. And I think that's look, I would like to, before I finish, I would like to say sorry if I have hurt it all without any prejudice to any agency or any person concerned. But whatever I have said is purely from the experience I have gathered on the sector. I have given 31 years of service and across 10 countries across the world. So उस experience से मैंने कहा without prejudice to anybody And I would, before I conclude, I would like to say that अगर RFP में हम कुछ चेंज लाते हैं तो DPR की क्वालिटी ऑटोमेटिक बदल जाएगी। वो उनका पॉलिसी था, मुझे किसी को निकालना नहीं है। कोई मेरे पास आया है तो मैं उसको सिखाऊंगा, अगर उसको नहीं आता है तो उसको सिखाऊंगा, अगर आता है तो मेरी किस्मत, नहीं आता है तो उसको सिखा। He gave me a chance to do MTech from IIT Delhi. So that short director साहब ने कहा कि we need to have periodic trainings, upgradation for the manpower. So those sort of areas where consultants need to look into themselves, and authority ministry need to fine tune certain areas of the RFP to bring out good quality repair. Thank you very much.
सभी पॉइंट्स एक्चुअल है। एक मीटिंग होगा, उसमें जो एक इशू था उनका जीटीएस का, वो मैं थोड़ा सा बताना चाहता हूँ कि सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया ने अभी कोर्स नाम से कंटिन्यूसली अपडेटिंग रेफरेंस सिस्टम जो ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल है वो लॉन्च कर दिया है। तो आपको जीटीएस बेंचमार्क ऑफ सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया में लेने की जरूरत नहीं है। यू पे मंथली चार्जेस, एनुअल चार्जेस आर देयर, सो यू गेट दैट। इट इज ए पब्लिक डोमेन।
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
This I am starting is I am presenting a DNA of this DPR. DPR को कैसा हुआ बना रखा है, हम करीब 10, 20, 30 साल से सुनते आ रहे हैं, 10 साल से बहुत ज्यादा सुन रहे हैं सब YouTube में और उनमें कि कोई DPR ऐसा है कि यही सारी जड़ है जो हमारा एक हाईवे इंडस्ट्री का जो सत्यानाश हो रहा है। इस टाइप के वर्ड यूज में कर रहा हूं क्योंकि टाइम ओवररन, कॉस्ट ओवररन न्यूमेरिक नंबर में इतना हाई है कि वो लिटरली ये स्टेज पर पहुंच गए हैं। मैं डीएनए प्रेजेंट कर रहा हूं, कुछ क्वेश्चन अनआंसर्ड रह जाएंगे, उसे क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन में डिस्कस करेंगे। ये बहुत जेनरिक स्टेटमेंट है, सक्सेसफुल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट परफॉर्मेंस डिपेंड्स ऑन द क्वालिटी ऑफ डिटेल डीपीआर एंड व्हाटएवर टाइम ओवररन, कॉस्ट ओवररन्स आर देयर, दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ deficient DPR, there is no doubt about it. See, this is the very few slides, only 6 slides are there, not many slides, but each slide will, ये आपको झंगोरेगी थोड़े सा कि इसमें क्या कहा जा रहा है। It has been observed that quality of DPR for highway project is far from the acceptable level. ये शायद आप सभी मानेंगे because YouTube आप भी देखते होंगे। This problem is not new, rather going on for last 2 decades. If I be on conservative side, for last 2 decades. During the last 5 years, quality of DPR has gone back to worse, and during 23-24, it would hit the rock bottom. 23 has gone, and 24 we are running through. It has fallen in severe vicious cycle, and all efforts being done by Government of India have gone completely waste. Each statement has a numeric sort of a sporting data, whatever statements are given here. Based on vast experience, we estimate that the deficient DPR quality attributes to the time and cost overrun to the tune of 40 to 50% of the scheduled time and cost. Not doing for charity. They are a commercial entity, we should keep it in mind, and now CEI has got more weight and responsibility because now it is being headed by a former Chief Engineer. Sir, kindly just Sharma साहब से मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा because CEI is being headed by a former Chief Engineer who has been through like Gordon, Quadlateral, East West, and that time he has been in the NHI, then he was in MORTH also. So he feels the pinch and he knows both sides of the table, what are the constraints are there and what kind of pinch he has mentioned in here in his lecture, what pinch DPR consultants are facing. And as a matter of fact, they are bleeding. They are not pinching, they are bleeding. So, I am doing the what techno-commercial analysis of the project, of the DPR, this thing. You see, this is the analysis into, just a generic average statement I have worked out in 2014, Char Dham MORTH awarded. You see, go in the numeric number, DPR क्या होता है, क्यों होता है, गलत होता है, उन सब की बजाय इन चीज पे जाना चाहिए। 2016, 2 साल बाद भारतमाला लॉट 1 to 4 आया, 4 लाख रुपीज पर किलोमीटर, बढ़ गया थोड़ा सा। फिर 2018 आया, आफ्टर अगेन 2 years, भारतमाला लॉट 4 बियॉन्ड दैट, वी गॉट रिड्यूस टू 3 लाख रुपीज पर किलोमीटर। Then 2020, 4 lane expressways, it became 2 lakh rupees per kilometer. Then 2022, 4-laning in Greenfield came to 1 lakh rupees per kilometer. And 2023, which has gone around 8 to 10 bids have given average of 80,000 rupees per kilometer. Here we stand, how this commercial entity can survive. Again, it is a brainstorming that this is not the fault of consultant only. Even if you make it 10 lakh rupees per kilometer, sorry to say, quality will remain same. Because I have gone to that depth, that quality is very difficult to improve. This is not only just the quoted price. So this shows where we are going, how we are declaring, who says that inflation is there, we say the negative inflation in India, if we take only the DPR fee. Now what kind of RFP we are doing it, RFP is getting improved and betterment every time.
अगर आपको डीपीआर की क्वालिटी इंप्रूव करनी है, द फर्स्ट थिंग वी नीड टू डू इज फ्रीज द अलाइनमेंट. आई थिंक कंसल्टेंट के जितने लोग बैठेंगे वहां पे दे विल एग्री विद मी दैट यू नीड टू फ्रीज द अलाइनमेंट. अलाइनमेंट इतनी बार चेंज होती है कि कंसल्टेंट पूरी जॉब के ऊपर कंट्रोल ही लूज कर जाता है. एंड आई सजेस्ट दैट जब कंसल्टेंट हैज कम आउट विद एन अलाइनमेंट, आप पीडी, आरओ एंड वन ऑफिसर फ्रॉम द हेडक्वार्टर एक टीम बना दीजिए कि ग्राउंड पे कंसल्टेंट के साथ जाए और उसकी गलती उसी को ग्राउंड पे दिखाए, ठीक कराए, डॉक्यूमेंट करे और उसको अलाइनमेंट आप डिक्लेयर कर दो दैट दिस इज द अलाइनमेंट. एंड फॉर गॉड से छोटे मोटे उस पे इरिटेशन पे आप अलाइनमेंट को चेंज मत कराइए. somebody comes and says my house is being taken, so please change the alignment. Let's not do it. For country's sake, let's not do it. So one of the area where we can control the DPR is to freeze the alignment. And I'm not saying, and Kapila साहब ने अपने स्पीच में भी कहा था कि DPR has to be owned both by the consultant as well as the authority. So our authority has to also take, authority also, ultimate authority is the one who is getting the bad name. Public says it is the taxpayer money and it is the public criticism which both the authority is facing. So अगर आपको डीपीआर ठीक करना है, then one thing we need to work is the alignment. And for that, I'm saying that then the consultant comes up with an alignment proposal. Take his team, take his designer, take his team leader, along with PD and RO and an officer from the headquarters, and go and show his mistake on the ground. So this is the mistake you have committed in your alignment. So correct this, get it documented. And get it documented by a task force that this is the alignment on which the consultant was asked to do the design. Thereafter, if you find any fault, penalize the consultant. But it's not done. Repeatedly alignment is changed. As a result, consultant at certain point of time loses control over the whole assignment. I'll tell one example. And एक और अच्छा point है, I think we all consultant will agree with me. I was working on a project as a team leader in 2017. I don't want to name the project. The work is still going on. The assignment is still going on. Literally, we have been given job, but we are working at the rate of 2017. We are in 2024. Consultant के घर में escalation नहीं होता, inflation नहीं होता. What do you want to say? What message we are going to try to give to the fraternity? 2017 के रेट में मैं 2024 पे काम कर रहा हूँ. Do you think I will be able to deliver justice? Nobody, no angels. Angels comes down from heaven will not be able to deliver justice. 2017 का प्रोजेक्ट मेरे को काम दे दिया जाता लिटरली एट द रेट ऑफ 2017 and now I am in 2024. So please, I think we need to look into these issues, this alignment change. We need to find a mechanism how we can jointly own the alignment. This is one area where we really need to work. And this is I am telling from my experience. मैंने 31 साल इस सेक्टर में बिताया हूँ. Supervision, design. I have been given chance to work in 10 countries across the world by my company. As a reward of my long association with the company, I have worked in 10 foreign countries. So, मैंने देखा है बांग्लादेश में एक प्रोजेक्ट में आर्मी को बोला गया कि आपको ये रोड बनाना है. आर्मी से the consultant gave me one alignment which is beyond any meritorious doubt. And the message they gave to the people, मुझे ये alignment बनाना है. घर छोड़ो नहीं तो उससे बुलडोजर से उड़ा देंगे. So that's how we need to build the infrastructure. You need to go. Somebody comes and then you say the change the alignment. Again you change the alignment. Again you change the alignment. So there is no end to it. So next, delays in approval by client. There have been, this is I think a persistent issue. We are submitting submissions but there is no approval. There is no comment. I mean, I have seen, इटोला में मैं काम कर रहा था, क्लाइंट के ऑफिसर्स आके कंसल्टेंट के साथ बैठ के कमेंट बना के देके बोल रहे हैं मुझे इसकी कंप्लायंस चाहिए. So I think we need to learn from what is going on across the other part of the world, and we need to modernize few of our things to have good quality DPR. Quite honestly, to have good quality DPR. उसमें गवर्नमेंट ने कुछ कदम उठाए हैं.
The last slide shown gave some details of batches and trainees and participants and qualified and not qualified. There seems to be some mismatch or my learning out because it showed for us till the first batch, number of participants 39, number of qualified 32 and not qualified 19. I wonder whether those who were not qualified, were they also participating?